Hello everybody, this is Haynes with another tip of the week. We're doing so well in business right now. A lot of different things are happening in our company. As we always say, we're moving fast and we're trying to make sure people are able to keep up. And I want to talk about a simple tip of how to close your people, because a lot of times we do massive exposures, but most people don't know what to do in terms of the next step of getting a person started. And these are some things that you need to remember. One thing that you need to remember is what I call GTC, get the check. You have to get the check, because those people need to be led in order to know what to do in this particular business, and you're the person to lead them. There are a few simple questions that you need to ask. Life is about asking the right questions. And one question that I want to give you as you open this up for the close, you need to be specific and do exactly what we're showing you how to do, because one word can make the biggest difference in what we're saying. The first question that I ask the person is, what did you like best about what you've seen or what you have heard? And now it depends on what it is. If they are seeing the presentation live, one-on-one with you, or maybe at a CJM, that's what they've seen. But if they have listened to it over a conference call, of course, you know that's what they have heard. Give a person a chance to actually give you an answer based on what it is that they want. Okay? And they may tell you, hey, I like the money, or I like the product, or I like the leadership. Whatever it is, then you simply agree with them, because as you know, all of those things are true. The next question you ask is, do you see yourself, or what type of money do you see yourself earning with this vehicle of what you've just seen? And give them a chance to answer. You know, whatever their number may be. It may be $2,000 a month, it may be $5,000 a month, or it may be $20,000 a month. You know that we can help people earn that with this vehicle. And of course, that's what's in it for them, and you keep that in the back of your mind. The other thing you ask is this: what product pack suits your budget of you getting started? Now you're starting to lead them in the startup process and let them give you the answer for their budget. And then the simple thing is you respond by saying, listen, by starting with the silver pack or by starting with the gold pack, now I can help you earn that $5, $10, $15, or $20,000 a month that they're talking about. Again, you're reiterating the things that they want out of the deal for them getting started at their various pack. The last thing that you need to do is very simple. Ask them the name that they want the money to go into. Take out the paperwork and start filling it out. It's okay to fill out the paperwork and get the information. What name do you want your money to come in? What's the best address to send your product to? What's the best email? What phone number is best to reach you outside of your home and your work? That means that's your cell phone. You're not asking for private information. You know, what method of payment do they want to get started with? And to make that $10,000 a month, maybe you want to start with a gold pack, because you see you can earn $2,500 per week, which is a six-figure income to make $10,000 per month. And so now you're leading that person to get started. Get the paperwork from that person, put that paperwork in possession, and show them how to put people in their business and money in their pocket. And that's how you show a person how to get started in your business, from the exposure to the closure of the business. And that's your tip of the week.